Lego. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. And yeah, if you're still new here, make sure you subscribe, join the family. We are almost getting at 5k and I've been really inconsistent, but I'm really trying to be active with the uploading and all that. But today I come with a very interesting video, like I always say, as interesting as I look. Yeah. So I hope you guys are going to love this video, and if you want to see how I got to achieve this hairstyle, make sure you watch the video till the end and you'll probably learn something new. And yeah, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up and everything. So if you want to see how I got to braid my hair, make sure you watch this video till the end, cause yeah, you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised at what I can do. Anyway, without no further ado, let's head to the video.
Feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. It's the rebirth. Lego. Original Batman. When he says about nothing, man, I tell him it's my life. Man, I chilling in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. I spitting for me bars, me I never back down. 1, 2, 3, me up on the countdown, man down. If you test me, man down. Original bad man, me I run town. Then try to downgrade, bad man fi upgrade. Then try to even, bad man fi even. They can't believe it, they love how I spit it. They know I'm gon' kill it, and they know I'm gon' kill it. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chillin' in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. I counting up these stocks, just trying to make a million. Spitting these bars from deep down within. You already know it's a killing when I'm spitting. If you're a hater, you can see me when you see me. Hold on, me not telling me they hold on. Calm down, me they telling me they calm down. Man down, is a man down. Bad man, them a see me round. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I tell them in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. Original Batman, oh, yeah, oh, VQs, on the vibe.
It's VQs.
Standard.
Why can't I survive now the JC because I do? What me do? What is it coming to me scream? Coming to you?
It's the rebirth.
Me not do you know that time when I said clip on the bar. Anyone tired of you? We want the commissioner to transfer your brain now. Anyone tired of you?
Lego. Original Batman. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chilling in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I a vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. I. Spitting for me bars, me I never back down. 1, 2, 3, me up on the countdown. Man down. If you test me, man down. Original bad man, me I run town. Them try to downgrade, bad man fi upgrade. Then try to evade, bad man fi evade. They can't believe it, they love how I spit it. They know I'm gon' kill it, and they know I'm gon' kill it. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I'm chilling in the studio, man, I vibe in it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. I. Counting up these stocks, just trying to make a million. Spitting these bars from deep down within. You already know it's a killing when I'm spitting. If you're a hater, you can see me when you see me. Hold on, me not telling me they hold on. Calm down, me they telling me they calm down. Man down, huh, is a man down. Bad man, them a see me round. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I'm chilling in the studio, man, I'm vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I'm vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. I. Original Batman, oh, hey, oh, I. VQ's on the vibe.
It's VQs.
Standard.
No. Original.
Just say no. Just say yeah.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go down anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class.
No. Just say yeah.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So they really your number one I control. So they really meant for the girls when they come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, them a coming at me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
No. Just say yeah.
Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe.
Original Batman.
Turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the
It's
vibe.
VQs.
Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Original.
Just say no. Just say yeah.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them a moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class.
No, 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 no. Just say yeah,
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. Could you give me your number one I control? So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, let me give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
no, 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 no. Just say
Original Batman.
It's fake heels.
Extension from Natural Hair Kenya, and it's in the color 1B, and it's a braid extension. Ha. This is how it looks, guys. It's so cute. It's lovely. You can see how long it is. It's about hooks inside. It also has hooks in the box to hold, so if you feel like putting it on without the hooks is going to come out, you will just put on hooks. But sometimes I feel like they could give me a headache because it's pulling, but I think I'm just going to put one on. Not even
Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class.
no, 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 no. Just say
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. Could you give me your number one I control? So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, let me give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
no, 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 no.
So guys, this is the end of our tutorial, and I hope you guys love this video. And I just feel like we need to show you guys how the back looks, but it is pressing hell because the back normally is difficult to do, but try it. So yeah, I tried. So I decided to spice it up, and I put some colorful rubber bands on the braids, and they look so amazing. They actually look better like this. It's popping and all that. So I got this extension from Natural Hair Kenya. They really have nice stuff, especially extensions, clip-ins and all that. So most of my extensions, crochet braids, I get them from them, and this amazing and cute extension is from them also, and I just love how it looks. The look turned out pretty well. You guys can see the front isn't really bad. Like, you guys, just look at my cornrows. Yo, I really tried because yeah, doing updo cornrows is really difficult compared to doing cornrows going towards the back, but I tried my best for them to look the best, and I hope you guys love it. You can comment down below what you think, because this is an effortless style, because you'd get some salons charging this style like around 1,000 shillings. So I feel like this is very convenient because you can get your cornrows done at the salon. You can just use this extension on top. It's very sufficient and efficient. So this is something that will serve you for a long time, because you know this is not something you're going to throw after using. So you can do your cornrows, you can do your updo cornrows, then yeah, put your extension on, and I just love how it looks. It's just amazing. And I also think you can also do a bun with it. Let's just see, because I just love messy buns. I really don't like perfect buns. I like it when my buns are wow. Yeah, something like that, and it's still looking amazing, but I feel like it's more cuter when it's down. My cornrows are not that perfect, but I tried. So yeah guys, I've plugged you into the best place you can get your extension. I'm going to put the link on the description box so that you guys can order directly from their page. And yeah guys, until our next video, bye.
Body nice.